हसनोड्या सेंट क्लारा इगर्जेत कोणे अनवळखी मनशान सेंट जोसेफ वाजाच्या मूर्तीची तोडफोड केल्या म्हणून परत बोवाळ पडला। तशेंच चर्ची भायर मदर मेरीचो ग्रोटो आनी पाद्राची गाडी डॅमेज केल्या। सायडीच्या 2 घरांची जनेलां फोडल्या म्हणून थंयचे लोक सांगतात। म्हापशा पोलिसांनी एकल्याक धरला, ताची चौकशी चल्ल्या।
6:30 I went out to see the statue of Saint Joseph was damaged, and also the grotto of Mother Mary, and also my car was little damaged, and
compound light,
compound lampshades or lights, also the cemetery lights, and the damage to the neighboring house, and also came to know that he was caught by our neighbors and given to the police control. So I told the police inspector Vijay Chudankar to do the best, and as I also told him, as I trust my God Jesus, so also trust the police inquiry, and whatever necessary steps and action to be taken should be taken as per the law. Person, as I came to know, is a Bihari, and who sent him and what purpose and what motive, I don't know, but I hope and pray that the police will get to the root of the problem.
ह्या बरोबर हांगा चोपतो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।